to be the way it's proceeding these days. Okay, so Mr. Soto, will you please unmute yourself and raise your right hand?
I'm unmuted. I can't. Can you see me?
We cannot see you. Can you start your video?
Pressing it. It's got a little weird figure on it. Start video.
There you go. Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Judge.
Thank you, sir. You may lower your hand. This is cause number 635665, the state of Texas versus Michael Sonny Soto. Counselors, please make your announcement.
Jeff King on behalf of the state.
Rochelle Acevedo for Mr. Soto.
So are we proceeding on the information as it was originally presented?
We are waiving the enhancement, Your Honor, and proceeding on a DWI first.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, that's approved. All right, so are you Michael Sonny Soto?
I am, Judge.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, and you see that on the screen. This document you reviewed with your attorney, right?
Yes, I did.
And you see that the check mark is under DWI first, which tells you that the range of punishment for this offense is from 72 hours up to 180 days in Bexar County Jail and or a fine up to $2,000. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're going to go to page 2 where it says defendant signature. Is that your signature, sir?
Yes, ma'am. That is correct. That is my signature.
Okay. Do you understand that by signing that document, you are waiving your right to a jury trial, your right to remain silent, as well as all those other rights listed in that document?
Yes, Judge.
If you have an agreement with the state and I follow it, but later on tonight or tomorrow you change your mind, you want to take back your plea, you would need my permission in order to do that, but I do not have to give that permission. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I do, Judge.
If I assess a harsher punishment than what you have agreed to, then you can take back your plea, and nothing you've said or signed for today's hearing can be used against you. Also, if you plead no contest to this offense, I can still find you guilty of this offense. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Ms. Acevedo, have you had an opportunity to discuss the charge with Mr. Soto?
I have, Your Honor.
In your opinion, does he have a factual as well as a rational understanding of the charge?
I believe he does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in his defense?
He has, Your Honor.
I will approve the waiver. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. We are recommending 16 months, 1/6 of deferred adjudication, a $500 fine, 500, one half of that to be suspended, 48 hours of community service, a TAP evaluation, DWI education, victim impact panel, ignition interlock for one half the term, $60 restitution to Texas DPS.
Okay, so Ms. Acevedo, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Soto, to the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir?
I'm guilty, ma'am.
Okay, so you did put on your waiver that you were pleading no contest. Did you change your mind?
I thought
He's pleading no contest, Judge.
no contest. I'm sorry.
All right. Is anybody forcing you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am. No, Judge.
Are you doing this of your own free will, sir?
Yes, Judge.
I will accept your plea. I'm going to place you on deferred adjudication for a period of 16 months. I'm not making any findings of guilt. I'm assessing a $500 fine plus court costs, but $250 of that is probated. You are to complete 48 hours community service, a TAP evaluation, DWI education course, victim impact panel, and on your vehicle, install ignition interlock for one half your term of probation, and pay a $60 restitution fee to DPS. Furthermore, I will offer you 24 hours community service credit. If you have been or you become fully vaccinated for COVID, all you have to do is show proof to the probation department and you will get that credit, okay? It's purely optional. Is there anything further from defense?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from the state?
No, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Soto, I have followed your agreement. That means you do not have a right to appeal. But I want to make sure that you understand that deferred adjudication can be a very good result for you. If you do everything you're supposed to, everything you agreed to, then you will not have a conviction. But if for some reason you do not comply 100% with the terms and conditions of your probation, and the state files a motion to revoke, I find sufficient reason to follow it, then I can give you that conviction. Revoke your community supervision, assess up to 180 days in Bexar County Jail, and you would have a very limited right of appeal. So the downside is really significant. The upside is great for your future. So I hope that you will take this very seriously, sir, and make this a success, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So you filled out a personal data sheet. Do you swear that everything you put on there is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
To the best of my knowledge, yes, yes, Judge.
All right, sir. At this time, we're going to adjourn this hearing. I'm going to ask you then to join a breakout room with Mr. Corey Richardson, our CLO. He has important information for you on how to proceed and what to expect. Just remember, the probation department is there to help you, okay? If you have problems, please share with them. Don't be afraid. And they can work with you if something comes up that, causes a problem, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. The best of luck to you. At this time, this hearing's adjourned. You'll be getting that prompt on your screen. Click on that and you will be meeting with Mr. Richardson. Ms. Acevedo, do you want to join him or do you need to be someplace else? Oh, you're muted.
That's okay, Judge. I think he's fine.
Okay. All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Acevedo. You take care. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Acevedo. Okay. We are done. All right. Everybody is amazing. Thank you for your hard work. We are going to end our Zoom. Lady, do you need to stay on Zoom for any particular reason?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, we got to wait for Mr. Richardson to finish, right?
Yes,
Okay.
But if you